Wow, look at the size of this crappie. I'd like to welcome everybody back to a very special episode of Hometown Angler. It's a 2021 Fishing for a Mission ice fishing tournament on Lake Dubay. Benefits St. Jude's hospitals. I'm going to start off with a shot just going into the judging tents and look at some of the bucket prizes and the fish prizes. I hope you guys will like this episode, and if you do, like, comment, subscribe. As always, thanks for stopping. Alright, here we are. Show is just about to start out here at the dock of Dubay. Fishing for a Mission charity ice tournament. Bucket raffles. Maybe in the trailer. I just gotta rewrite some of this stuff here. It's your hometown angler here. So today's the big day. Lake Dubay Fishing for a Mission charity ice tournament. There's already quite a few people setting up out here. As the day goes on, this will fill in. There's over 1,000 contestants, so there's gonna be quite a bit of people filling in through here. So I'll keep you guys updated and make sure you stay tuned. So I do have a navigation point set up at a point that's about 17 feet. I know it's pretty accurate out here. And I got out here early enough that hopefully I will be able to get to it. So wow, look at the size of this crappie. Holy moly. Wow, that is just a massive crappie. That's huge. Should I turn that to the judging tent? Wow. That's a nice one. Oh, holy moly. That's cool. There's a crappie. Not a bad one either. Look at that crappie. That's a nice crappie. Big as a hand. Wow. Whatever's charging it right now has got some size to it though. Alright. This is something nice. Got some head shakes going. Alright. decent largemouth. Down there on the flasher, this guy is definitely showing some size. I could tell it wasn't no bluegill, that's for sure. Oh! He wanted to come back the other way. See what we got here. Ooh, not a bad crappie. Woohoo! Let him keep it. Little bluegill. Okay, so as you can see from the big line of cars behind me, everyone's packing up. But I think it's cool is how they got these like roadways cut out for all the trucks and the four-wheelers. So it's a pretty good turnout. I'm gonna head up in the tent and see where we're at with the results. So stay tuned.
All right, we're gonna let Joe do a little background. Today we have two of Children's Miracle Network Miracle Kids. I'll let them introduce themselves, and Joe is just going to give a little backup story of kind of how that all works.
How's everybody doing this afternoon? Everybody have a good time out on the ice? Let's hear it for all the kids, because that's why we're doing this. We do this to raise money for St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. We do this to raise money for kids right here in central Wisconsin as well. And a lot of it goes to the Marshfield Children's Hospital through Children's Miracle Network. So thank you everyone so much for coming out today, being a part of this. It is an awesome event. This is our biggest attended year ever. So you made a miracle happen today. You really, really did. Thank you so very, very much. So the two young men that we have up here are two very special boys. They are miracle kids from the Children's Miracle Network. We've got Isaac and we've got Ethan. So by what you guys do, by coming out here and helping out and supporting our tournament, in turn we're able to donate lots of wonderful money to help guys like this and kids like this right here in central Wisconsin at Children's Hospital in Marshfield. So thank you so much again.
Okay, I'm Ethan Ompus, and my short accident ends by a windy day in the forest. Ompus energy bench falls my face, and this bone goes into my brain. 99% of death and 1% of life. Dun dun dun.
Hi, my name is Isaac, and
let's hear it for Isaac. It's all good, buddy. It's okay. Hey, it's because of kids like this, or because of what you do, these kids are out here having a great time today. So thank you so very much again, really.
Okay.
All right, we're going to draw another ticket.
Right now.
What number we got here?
749.
749.
Okay, so in that last clip, you guys got to see kind of the backstory from the founder of the tournament, of what it's all about, and you got to see a couple of the door prizes drawn. Now the drawings went way into the night, and they didn't show the fish anyhow. They just put the results up on a board, and then the people got their prizes. So I'll just post a picture of the board itself with the results, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, thanks for stopping.